Hey, this is David, House Parents. If you ever wondered if Rug Doctor, one of these carpet cleaners that you rent from the typical home store, if you ever wondered if they worked, well, I can kind of show you what I've done here. We've got a hallway. This is a rental. It's been probably 5 years since this carpet's been cleaned. And you can see it actually does make a difference. I've done this side of the hall, not this side yet. And you can see how badly it was stained. If you want to see how it works, I can show you the basics of it pretty quick. These are your buttons. This is for your clean tank, and that's for your dirty tank. This is your dirty tank, the one in front. Your clean tank's the one in the back. See these things pop out? You fill this up with 2 or 3 ounces of detergent that you can buy with the Rug Doctor, and that's your clean water canister. So you press the button on that side, and that's for tool, or you press this side, and that's for carpet. And then you make a bunch of passes, and I've done 1 full canister on this side so far. Because it was so dirty, I spent a lot of time going really slow, and you can see it does make a difference. If you want to get an idea how it did, this is the proof that it's getting something up. That's good news. Carpet's getting clean. Is it as good as paying for a steam cleaner? A pro company with steam in the whole 9 yards? No, it's not as good as that. But it's way cheaper. This is $40 for 24 hours. More than enough time to do as much carpet as you want to do. So if you're really looking for a cheap, inexpensive way to clean some carpet quick, this is a way to do it. So you've got to compare time versus money and the effort that you put into it. And there's the directions if you're curious. When you pick this up, if you lift this up like so, that allows it to make a little bit better storage. You can put this in the back seat of a car, trunk, or SUV, no problem. So there you go. Not perfect, but definitely much improved from how it used to be. So if you need to clean your own carpets in a pinch, that's probably not a bad way to go. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.